T-Mobile 5G home internet disconnections are often caused by weak signal strength or improper router placement. First, check your signal strength using the T-Mobile app or a third-party app like Network Cell Info Lite. A signal strength below -90 dBm RSSI can cause drops. Next, evaluate your router's location. Ensure it's at least 5 feet off the ground, near a window, preferably south-facing, and away from devices that cause interference, such as microwaves or cordless phones. Metal objects and walls can significantly weaken the signal. Run a speed test via T-Mobile's app or speedtest.net to confirm speeds are below 25 Mbps, which further points to signal issues. Improve your connection by optimizing router placement. Move the router to different locations and test the signal strength and speed at each spot, the triangle test. If placement adjustments don't resolve the issue, update your router's firmware to fix potential bugs. A signal booster can significantly improve signal strength in areas with poor coverage. An external antenna can significantly improve signal strength in areas with poor coverage. T-Mobile offers enterprise support, which can install a distributed antenna system for corporate customers, although this is not for individual use. Hybrid setups using a wired Ethernet connection for devices like gaming consoles in conjunction with 5G internet may also help.